ma'am, I am Sanjana. I am going to explain about the GM Mini Insta. It is one of the social media application. Here I have created the file by the name of GM Insta, where it contains the both the backend and the front end. Here the backend code. Backend it contains the models like the models like the user.js, models like the user.js, story.js, post.js, and the message.js. In this model, user.js, it is an user data where we can login and edit the profile. Next, the post.js, it is a post, we can add the post here. Next, the message, we can chat with the other user. Next, the story.js, it means we can add the stories here. Next, the roots are, it is one of the API endpoint. API endpoint. Next will be the env, which stands for the environment variable, where it contains the database and the secrets, where it contains the node.js, and we can connect to the MongoDB database. Next will be the front end. Front end libraries are the Dixt and the public. These two are the front end libraries, where these two are the static files, where we can add the icons in the HTML code. Next will be the source file. It is a source folder where it contains about the login page, home page, and the search and the sign up page. Here the home page, it is one of the main feed, like post or the displayed here. Next we will go to the reels page dot JSX. We will add the reels or video section can be added in this bar. Next will be the search page. Next search page, we can search the user or the post. Next will be the sign up page. We can sign up the user registration page. Next will be the styles. In the styles, it style it to stores the css, or the it is one of the styling files where we will use to design the user interface, like the colors or the layout or the font we can change here. Next will be the utils. Next utils, it is one of the helper. It is one of the helper function, where we can, by giving the example like the API calls, we can reusable the logical, we can use the utils page. Next will be the app.jsx. It is one of the main root component, where it controls all the load pages here. Next will be the main.jsx. Main.js means it is one of the entry point of the page, entry point of the application. Next will be the app.css and the index.css. These two are the styling files, where global app.css and the index.css, these are the styling files, where global styles and the component styles can be added here. Here the root files are the index.html and the login.html. In index.html, it is one of the main HTML file, where it React app loads inside the file. Next to login.html. Login.html, we can separate the login page if it is not using. Next will be the package.json. It is one of the project configuration file, where it contains the dependencies and the libraries. Next will be the readme.md, where project documentation they explains the project details in this page. Next will be the post.css configuration JSS. It is used with the CSS tools. Next will be the tailwind configuration.js. It is one of the configuration for tailwind CSS, where it controls this system styling, where we can apply the color space like orange, green in the background, like this. Next will be the test.html. In this test.html, we can add the texting HTML file. It is used for the quicker experiments. By the end of these slides, we can see that It is one of the source folder. It contains all the source codes, which includes the source folder, which all the codes that include about the pages, styling and the utils, pages, styling and the utils, where it connects as the root component, while the main.js, which connect the app to the HTML, next the configuration files like the JSON package, Tailwind configuration and Netlify configuration. These all maintains about the these all maintains about the styling and deployment of the code. By running the link, we will get this page. By logouting this page, we will get the login page like this. Here it shows the mini application login page, where the key components include here the login logo ಮತ್ತೆ where we can see the login to the Instagram, where we can add the user ID, password and the login. We can, if we forgot the password, we will go give the forgot password, we will restore the account. Next we can log in with the Facebook. Next we can create a new account. Here the logo also included here. So here we can see the components like the login button, forgot password and the social login option. Also we can create the new account here. Here this login page, it is the login page of my application, which is inspired by the real Instagram. So this page is divided into two parts on the left side and the right side. Left side shows the tagline and the preview to attract the user. So right side which contains the login form, so user can enter their email and password. So click on to the login button. If we forgot the password, so we can give the forgot password. So help user can reset their password. So we can also log in with the Facebook, and we can also create the new account. We will log in here. This shows the home page. This is the home page or the feed page of my application, which is similar to the Instagram app. On the left side we can see the navigation menu like the home, search, messages and the profile, and also the logout option, where at the top of the user we can add we can see the stories, where they can we add the short updates. Next in this center we will see the feed section, where the user can see posts from others, and the each post can username or images we can also like here, and we will share. Next we will comment them. So this shows about the home page. Next if we go to the search bar, we can search here with the any user ID. So we will see the Instagram user accounts here. Here this search page of my application, which is also similar to my Instagram account, where at the top of the search bar, where we can search the user, where by their name or the username. As the user type with app shows the instant search request follows here. Next the user profile picture and their username. We can click on any profile, so we will go to their page. So here the search page shows here. We can also see the post updated by the other users. Next if we move on to the profile page, this is how the profile page looks like. In this at the top of the profile page, there is a profile picture where it displays the user photo. Next the username, it is a username where given by the Sanjana image. Where action buttons are the edit profile, we can edit the profile and we can message, and the it is a setting of icon here. Next edit profile to update the details here, the message application to you to chat with the others. Next will be the setting icon, so is for the account application. Here it contains the below the username. Here it contains about the 6 posts to 5 followers and the 4 following. Here the total number of posts are uploaded by the user. Next the 5 followers means people who are following their user. Next the 4 following means people this user following. Next here I included the bio section by the name called the Sanjana image, where this I have described here the design and travel and the chai. So the location will be the Bangalore and the India, where the profession like a CS student and the creative soul. So here the left side this shows about the navigation bar, where we can home in this home page. This is the main feed home page. This is the main feed of my account, where we can search it to find the user or the post. Now next the message application is used to chat section. In profile we can see the current page of the profile application. Here it shows the following list, where we can click on the followers, where we will see the who are following the user of this account Sanjana MS. So here the user profile. User profile, it is one of the small circular image of the follower. So they post their profile picture. Next we will see the username. It is called the username with the Priya Sharma. So here the full name Priya Sharma. Here the if we click on the following button, they will I am going to follow that person. If I close the top right button of it, will close the pop-up and return to the profile page. So what is the purpose of this feature means it help users to see who are following them. So it make very easy to connect or the follow back. So it keeps the user on the same page. So again if we log out this account, it will come to the login page. Thank you, ma'am.